Welcome to our analysis of OpenStreetMap data for Bochum-Querenburg in Germany. In this session, we will explore the area by examining both the street network and building footprints. First, we import the necessary libraries. We use osmnx for downloading and analyzing OpenStreetMap data, and matplotlib for visualizing our results. Now, specify the area of interest by setting the location to Querenburg-Bochum, Germany. We then retrieve the street network for this area using osmnx. Next, we convert the graph into geodata frames. These geodata frames represent nodes and edges of the street network, which we will then use for visualization and analysis. This gathers building data for our specified area. This data includes the footprints of all buildings, which we extract using osmnx. Now, let's visualize the data. We create a plot showing the street network and building footprints. This plots the streets in shades of gray and the buildings in red to distinguish them clearly. Interpretation. This visualization shows the buildings and roads that have been added to OpenStreetMap. It provides a snapshot of user contributions in the area. Keep in mind that this reflects user activity and may not represent the current state of the area. For research purposes, always verify the accuracy of the data.